Of all the things, I left my little 17 caliber at home this morning. Didn't bring my shotgun. Usually I keep my little 17 caliber rifle in here in case I see a squirrel or something. And here I is. The one day I leave at home, it's the last day of the season, last day I leave at home, I get you where I park to go to my tree stand. And here goes a ring-necked pheasant walking around here in the intersection. I ain't got nothing to shoot him with. Of all the things happen though. But they're a pretty bird. Yeah, the club next to us, um, they shoot quail and stuff like that. It's a bird preserve over there, and certain times of the year they shoot pheasants and stuff. And some of the pheasants, they'll come over here on us. It's just amazing how pretty they are. But just goes to show you sometime when you leave something and when you need it, then you ain't got it. But that's the way things are. And out here where we at, pheasants, they won't last but so long because either the coyotes or foxes or bobcats will get them. So he probably won't last a week out here in the wild where on the hunting club here. There's so many coyotes and bobcats and things. But we'll catch you a little later, YouTube, and like and subscribe.